This is the treatment methods allocation worksheet for the C4P success tool. This one is fairly easy. The only decision one needs to make here is what proportion of ablation services are going to be cryotherapy and which are going to be thermal ablation each year in the tool. As you can see here, I've introduced thermal ablation slowly over the years by saying cryotherapy will start out at 80%, and then it'll go down to 60%, and then it will go down to 50% and go down to 20%. And now I'm just going to put 10% here. And you'll see that the thermal ablation service is automatically set so that the two will add up to 100%. You'll notice that there's no need to make any choices with the excision treatment methods because there's only one excision treatment methods offered here in this version of the tool. Perhaps in the future there will be more than one excision treatment method offered, so we keep this here. And similarly with cancer diagnosis and treatment referral methods, we only have one option here, so we've already filled it in for you at 100%, so no adjustment is needed by you.